Hello?
Hi, welcome to the community painting wall. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to paint my own mural.
You want to paint your own mural?
That's wonderful. Anyone can join.
I not paint mural before.
You have not painted a mural before?
No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
What do you need to bring? Just your idea. We have paint and brushes here.
Can I paint any picture?
Yes, but please keep it friendly for everyone.
How long I can paint?
How long can I paint? You can paint for 2 hours.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's great. Have fun and be creative.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Digital Help Kiosk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to set up my new smartwatch.
You want to set up your new smartwatch.
No problem. Do you have it with you?
Yes, but I not know how to start.
You don't know how to start? That's okay. First, press the power button.
I press this button.
Yes, that's right. Now wait for the screen to turn on.
It is on now. What I do next?
Now connect it to your phone with Bluetooth.
I not use Bluetooth before.
You have not used Bluetooth before? I can show you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use my smartwatch.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new watch. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Eco Market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a bamboo toothbrush.
You want to buy a bamboo toothbrush? Yes, we have them here.
I not use bamboo toothbrush before.
You have not used a bamboo toothbrush before?
No problem. They are good for the environment.
Are they strong?
Yes, they are strong and last a long time.
How much one toothbrush cost?
One toothbrush is $3.
Can children use them?
Yes, we have small sizes for children too.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I'm happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new toothbrush. Hello.
Hi, welcome to the upcycling workshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to make a wallet from old jeans.
You want to make a wallet from old jeans.
That's a great idea.
I not make wallet before.
You have not made a wallet before?
No problem. We help beginners.
What I need to bring?
Just bring your old jeans and some thread.
Can I use glue?
Yes, you can use glue or needle and thread.
How long it take to make?
It takes about 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try upcycling.
That's wonderful. Your wallet will be unique.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Language Cafe. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to practice English with a new partner.
You want to practice English with a new partner?
That's great. We have many people here.
I not practice with partner before.
How I find a partner?
How do I find a partner? Just sit at a table and say hello.
What we talk about?
You can talk about hobbies, family, or daily life.
I am a little shy.
That's okay. Many people feel shy at first.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. The more you practice, the better you get.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the science fair. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to do simple science project.
You want to do a simple science project?
That's great. What do you like?
I not do science project before.
You have not done a science project before?
No problem. I can give you ideas.
What is easy project for beginners?
You can make a volcano with baking soda and vinegar.
That sounds fun. What I need?
You need a small bottle, baking soda, vinegar, and some food color.
How long it take?
It takes about 15 minutes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try science.
That's wonderful. Have fun at the fair.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the food forest. Can I help you?
Yes, I want pick some fresh herbs.
You want to pick fresh herbs?
That's great. We have many kinds here.
I not pick herbs before.
You have not picked herbs before? No problem. I can show you.
What herbs you have?
We have mint, basil, and parsley.
Can I take a little of each?
Yes, just use the small scissors and take a few leaves.
Do I need to pay?
No, herbs are free for everyone.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to use fresh herbs for cooking.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your cooking and come back anytime. Hello?
Hi, welcome to the art supply swap. Can I help you?
Yes, I want trade my sketchbook.
You want to trade your sketchbook?
That's great. What kind do you have?
I have a small sketchbook. I not use it much.
You have not used it much? No problem. You can trade it here.
Can I take a bigger sketchbook?
Yes, you can choose any sketchbook on the table.
Do I need to pay?
No, trading is free for everyone.
How many I can trade?
You can trade 1 for 1.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find a new sketchbook.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your drawing.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the running club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the morning run.
You want to join the morning run?
That's great. We run every Saturday.
I not run with group before.
You have not run with a group before?
No problem. We welcome everyone.
What time you start?
We start at 7 a.m. in the park.
How far you run?
We run 5 kilometers, but you can run less if you want.
Do I need special shoes?
Just wear comfortable running shoes.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try running with others.
That's wonderful. See you on Saturday.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the Zero Waste Beauty Shop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want buy natural deodorant.
You want to buy natural deodorant.
Yes, we have many kinds here.
I not use natural deodorant before.
You have not used natural deodorant before?
No problem. It is safe and good for the skin.
What is it made from?
It is made from coconut oil, baking soda, and natural scents.
Does it work all day?
Yes, it works well for most people.
How much one stick cost?
One stick is $5.
Is it good for sensitive skin?
Yes, we have a special kind for sensitive skin.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new deodorant.